For the leaders, I think the message on climate change is being misled by other issues with other issues like red, where leaders are pushing more on red. They've got to push more on climate and adaptation. Because there are people who are already organized. There are communities who already have adaptation plans and who have initiated those plans within a community approach. And these are communities that need to be supported for everybody to say that they are making a difference.
How did you become involved with climate change?
I am a climate change victim. My island has been split in half because of climate change. I live climate change every day. The seas that used to be my source of food and livelihood are now turning against me and my community. So we live climate change every day.
So what is your message to the people on climate change, and how can you reach, if you want to reach out to everyone? What message do you have?
Yeah, to the leaders of the world who are meeting here in New York this week, which will lead up to Copenhagen, my message is when you are making a deal, you have to make a moral deal, because there are communities globally who have flesh and blood just like you, just like the leaders. So the deals have to have a moral deal in them, and they've got to be looking at people as human beings.
Thank you so much for your time.